Today I am going to do Leaf headphones unboxing and review. This is our headphones which we got from Leaf. In the box we get headphones and some user manuals. Here we get 3.5 mm jack and wire of length 1.5 meter long. The headband is elastic. Here is the branding of Leaf. It has glossy finished body for premium looks. It has metallic adjusters for the strong build. The headphones are rotatables. It is a lightweight headbands which can be used for long hours. It has soft padded ear pads for comfort fit.